Hello, this is Letitia Hammonds. The purpose of this video is to offer my proposal to participate in this summer ADI conference. So what you see on the screen is how I took some of the information from the ADI and I modified it um, so that I was able to reach all of my students. Um, it's in a combination of our intro to research methods and our biology course. At the time that we did this ADI, the students had begun looking at DNA, complementary strands. But when we got into this, we were actually a little ahead of the classes when we did our DNA mutation. Um, what I found so amazing is that once they began looking at the information from their biology class and then going through what we were going through in our research course, it just connected so easily. They were able to explain in detail the why without having to be taught specifically, everything that they needed to do in this particular ADI. So what you see here is the standard, our research standard, and then our claim um, for the learning target. All right. This is our instructional framework that we use, so not really a part of the presentation. I apologize. So this video I received from the ADI program. If you are not aware, ADI Hub is amazing. It is so awesome. I am not going to play the video. I'm just going to keep going. All right. So a lot of the points that you're going to see here is from my understanding of DEI. Also with my particular school district, student discourse is a must. So throughout the slides, you'll see that I have what did you notice, what do you wonder, which is a part of our three-dimensional learning strategies. And from the video, I would allow the students to speak to each other, and then we had a whole class discussion. Now, I actually have more than one of these because we would speak, split the activities up of the 7 stages. What I would say is that the 7 stages does not mean 7 days. It can be less, it can be more. It's really going to be based on your students' level of understanding of an ADI investigation and for the teacher as well. When I first began doing ADI, I moved so slow. I was so